Welcome class. I am the mathematics faculty of Cambridge Convent School. Yes, I am here to teach you chapter first of class 8th, that is rational numbers. Yes, in the previous classes you learn about different types of numbers. The first one is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Yes, and your first chapter is rational numbers. Yes, the first type of number we discussed in our previous classes is natural numbers. It is denoted by symbol n. Natural numbers are started from 1 and thereon all the numbers after 1 are natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If someone is asking you about which is the smallest natural number, then your answer is 1. The smallest natural number is 1. Now, let's move to the next type of number, that is whole numbers. That is whole numbers. It is denoted by symbol W. It starts from 0 and then all natural numbers comes under whole numbers. So the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If someone is asking you about which is the smallest whole number, then your answer is 0. Whole number is nothing but it is the group of 0 and all natural numbers. Now look at the third types of numbers, that is integers. The third type of number is integers. It is denoted by Z. All the negative numbers comes under integers, such as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. As all negative numbers, all whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Integers is nothing but it is group of all negative numbers and all whole numbers, or it can also be said that integers are the group of all negative numbers, 0 and natural numbers. Now look at the third type of number, that is fourth type of number. Look at the fourth type of number, that is rational numbers. Now this is our chapter, that is rational numbers. It is denoted by Q. If class someone is asking you about from where this rational word comes from. This rational is come from the word ratio. This rational is come from the word ratio and it is denoted by the symbol Q. This Q comes from the from quotient that is used, that is the terminology used in divide. Okay, this rational comes from ratio and Q comes from quotient. Okay, now what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers that are written in the form of P upon Q. Any number written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Any number that is written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are rational numbers. कोई भी नंबर जिनको अपन P upon Q की फॉर्म में लिख सकें and where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are rational numbers. Now look at the examples of rational number. I said any number that is written in the form of P upon Q. For example, 1 upon 2 is a rational number. Why? Because it fulfills the two conditions, that is P and Q are integers, here 1 and 2 are integers, and also Q means denominator, 2 not equal to 0. So 1 upon 2 is a rational number. Now look at one more example, that is 11 upon 7. Here 11 and 7 is in the form of P upon Q. It also fulfills the condition that P and Q are integers and here also Q not equal to 0. So 11 upon 7 is also a rational number. Now look at some negative rational numbers. Minus 13 upon 17. Here it is in the form of P upon Q. It fulfills the first condition that it is in the form of P upon Q. Here also P and Q are integers. And it also fulfills the third condition that Q not equal to 0. So minus 13 upon 11 is also a rational number. So class, here are two types of number. The first two are the positive rational numbers. The third one is negative rational numbers. So we can say that rational numbers can be divided into two types of rational numbers, that is positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. The rational numbers with no sign or positive sign are said to be positive rational numbers, and the numbers with negative sign are said to be negative rational numbers. So from here on we can conclude that all the integers are rational numbers. Let's see minus 1. We can write minus 1 in the form of P upon Q, that is minus 1 upon 1. It is in the form of P upon Q. Here also P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So minus 1 upon 1 is an integer and it is also a rational number. So 9. We can write 9 as 9 upon 1. We can write 9 as 9 upon 1. So 9 upon 1 is also in the form of P upon Q. Here also 9 and 1 are integers and here also Q not equal to 0. So we can say that 9 upon 1 is a rational number. Let's look at one more integer, that is 0. We can write 0 as 0 upon 1. Here also it is in the form of P upon Q. P and Q are integers also and Q also not equal to 0. So we also can say that 0 is also a rational number. So we can say that all integers are rational numbers. The integers with the negative integers are negative rational numbers and the positive integers are positive rational numbers. Okay? Yes. The remaining section we will continue in the next session. Yes. Thank you class. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon also. Yes. Thank you class.